watching everything, making sure things are good. When he shakes that tells her she needs to smoke it so he can sit back there and watch it. That looks good. That's her husband right there. A brand new car, 2011. Third front, ever. Like they're just telling you, they do a lot of adjustments.
You feel that?
To see what the car will do.
It's like compression.
Let's pop them a little bit. Maybe might get a couple of pops, but this is what we like to hear.
That's going to hit us in a second.
Look at the debris coming.
I know.
So there we go. Still checking the system out. 150 miles an hour.